Hey, so we're still looking at mean deviation. This time we've got mean deviation being shown to us with a stem and leaf plot, which we've seen before. Matt and his friends went on a weekend fishing trip and recorded the number of fish that each of them caught in the stem and leaf plot below. What is the mean deviation of fish caught during the trip? So each of these numbers, as we remember, on the right-hand side, in the right-hand column are the ones, and the numbers in the left-hand column are the tens. So these are tens, these are ones, and so from there we can build a list of numbers such as the number 8. So if we wanted to, we could do an 8 followed by a 12, 14, 23, 28, 29, 30, and a 32. Just to remember where those numbers come from. But they don't really change the way we're going to do the mean deviation. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add all those numbers together and then divide by the number of them that there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we'll do that in the calculator right now. 8 plus 12 plus 14, 23 plus 28 plus 29 plus 30 plus 32, which is going to give me 176 over 8, which is 22. So that is the average number of fish per day that are caught on the trip. And we want the mean deviation now. So once again, we're going to list out the numbers, and we'll do the differences and turn them into positives, and then get the average of that set of differences. So 8, 12, 14, 23, 28, 29, 30, and 32. And we will subtract 22 all 8 times and record those numbers. So 8 minus 22, for example, negative 14. 12 minus 22 is negative 10. 14 minus 22 is negative 8. And then we get into some positive numbers. Which are all there. So we just have to remember that when we're doing mean deviation, that we don't now want to go ahead and calculate that average right away. We have to make sure that we change all of the values to positive numbers, or otherwise known as the absolute value, which I'll do right now. So negative 14 becomes positive 14, negative 10 becomes positive 10, negative 8 becomes positive 8, and then the rest of those positive numbers, they don't change. They stay exactly as they were. So the mean deviation is simply the average then of that last column. 14 plus 10 plus 8 plus 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 comes to 64 which I have to divide by 8. And there you get it. Nice and easy. The mean deviation is the number 8.